The featured rugs in my window are from my flat weave collection. Combination of natural color of the wool, camel hair, vegetable dye, made with hand spun yarn, hand woven. Very simple design, beautiful movement, beautiful color variation. These two part of a large collection, everything is one of a kind. This again, terracotta tile design in a much softer texture as a rug. Again, combination of color of the wool, vegetable dye, hand spun and hand knotted. I call them Teflon rugs, extremely stain resistance. And if you need to wash, you could simply take them out, hose them down, and bring them in when it's dry. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to be notified of new videos. My name is Hans Boucheron, owner of Boucheron Rugs in town of Southampton, New York State, United States. Thank you very much.